Hi guys, so for today's video I'm gonna share with you some interesting GoPro accessories I found online. So before, when I go on backpacking, I'll just bring with me my GoPro Shorty, so this one, and my three-way extension arm. But sometimes when doing backpacking, bringing all these accessories is a bit cumbersome. But now I found some alternative as an extension arm for my GoPro Hero 9. So before, I'm just using this GoPro Shorty, but sometimes when doing backpacking or when I need to capture some video, I need to extend it like this, but it can only be extended up unto this length only. But now I found out there's a solution to that, because most of the time I need to extend it more. Okay, so let me show you. This is the extension kit I now have. So this is the smallest one. This is about 3.3 inches, and this one is 6.5 inches, and the largest one is about 11.8 inches. So if I just need to extend it just a bit more, I can just add the shortest one, which is around 3.3 inches. So as you can see, it is extended now. Then I can just attach my GoPro here. So you can now extend it like this one. Instead of it's just a GoPro Shorty, it is now extended a bit more. But if you need to extend it a bit more, you can still add the second one, which is about 6.5 inches. So you can just extend a bit more. You can also now use it as your selfie stick. And if you just want to leave your GoPro and then film yourself, you can use this one and make it as a tripod. But if you need to extend it a little bit more, you can add the longer one. So now I have attached all the three extension poles, and as you can see, it's a bit longer now. If you need to capture a wider view, you can add all of the extension pole, all the three extension poles, and use it like this one. Okay, so since this is a three-way pole and you can bend on 3 parts or 4 parts, you can do some artistic shots. You can do it something like this if you want to capture some lower shots. You can be more creative using these 3 poles. By the way, it also comes with the wrench. If you want to tighten or loosen the screw, you can conveniently use it. This is included in the package. Anyway, this is made from aluminum alloy, which is very lightweight. Also, it has a hollow design, so this makes it more lightweight and convenient. It is easier to pack and easier to store than this one. Basically, before I used this one, this is a 3-way extension arm, which you can use like this. But the problem with this one is it is not that lightweight and bulky. Previously, I used this for as a selfie stick and also as a tripod, but now I can just bring my GoPro Shorty and these 3 extension arms. I am now here in Mount Aluminium and I just finished hiking. I was now able to use the aluminum extension kit, and I can say that it's really lightweight. The design is really good. It's very durable, and I think I now prefer this one than my other 3-way extension pole. Backpacking and hiking, of course, requires you to have a really light load. As much as possible, you have to reduce the weight of your backpack. And now I can also conveniently use this as a tripod. This really makes it really convenient. You can just attach it to your GoPro Shorty. This really helps me when taking some still shots, like when I want to show me walking along the trail.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
So that's it. If you think you also need this extension arm, check out the links on my description box. Thank you.